Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, to show you how to recover or restore deleted post on Instagram. So as you see that the option has disappeared from your account. So now I am going to show you a new way by which you can definitely restore your post which you have recently deleted. So what you have to do is, first of all, go into your Play Store and type here Instagram. So type here Instagram and you have to update your Instagram app. First of all, you have to update your Instagram app. If you have already updated, so forget this, but if you haven't updated like me, so you have to update it. So now it is installing in my device or in my phone, so wait for it. So now just click on open. Now first of all, I am going to delete any post on my Instagram, and then I am going to restore that. So now I am going to my profile. Now here I am going to delete any of my post, as I want to delete this one. So now what you have to do is just click on it and click on delete. So when you delete, here you will see a pop-up message. You can restore this from postly deleted in your activity within. So now I'm going to delete it, and now what you have to do is, so if you want to recover this, just click on your profile and here you will see 3 lines. Click on it and go into your activity. So when you go into your activity, here you will see recently deleted. So the post you have recently deleted will come here and you have to click on it. So when you click on it, just click on these 3 lines and here you will see restore option. Just click on it and restore. So like this you can restore your recently deleted photos from here and reels from here. So if you have deleted your reels, you can find here, and if you have deleted any posts, you can find here. So like this you can delete, but within 30 days. If you are not finding that post which you have deleted, it means that it is past 30 days. So you have to find, like this you can find it. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.